Hey guys, we're at Ancient Oaks RV Resort. This is here in Okeechobee. Basically, there's another bank-owned property. You own the land on this one. Got a nice little private backyard, view of a pond, open field in the back. It is a mobile home. They did enclose the porch, so you're gonna have a lot more square footage than the MOS or the tax record state. But this is the one bedroom in here. You have a door access right to the outside, but there is another door. This is inside the view. It's here. You can't see the bathroom. I gotta get the light on for that one. You got walking in through the kitchen, big open space. Turn this around, and there's your kitchen. Let me see if we could get some light in here for you guys. No, maybe not. All right, well, not gonna be able to get any light in here for you, but this is the enclosed porch. This is what's gonna add a lot more space to your living square footage. It's totally enclosed. There is no AC, but I'm sure you could throw some in here. And then they have the bathroom out here, full bathroom with your water heater, like so. So again, this one here, it's a 1-1. It's listed as 488 square foot, but with this enclosed patio, it's a lot larger. Not sure what we're going to get for a list price here, but you do own the land. Again, there is another bathroom inside here. Just can't see it because of the lighting. We'll see what we can do when we get home and touch it up. But again, I'm coming out through the bedroom into the patio that is enclosed. And that's basically it. This will be coming to market probably within another 10 days. So if you have any questions about this one, again, Ancient Oaks RV in Okeechobee, give me a call, see what we can do.